Releasing dopamine.
Look like a madman, you know, vlogger. Just wake up. But my day is 8. Today is Carnival Day vlog world. Road march. You know what I mean? So get some rest. If you don't prepare. And I'm gonna make all I wanna just journey with your boy right now. Cause today is gonna be mad, fam. This is before the mayhem. Craziness. So first thing we need for the vlog girl, I get some food in my system and prepare. Start put all of my gears and my things together. And thing is it. That's what I need to do. So yeah, when you go on journey with your boy, Carnival morning. Whoop! So I go on vlog world my day. I'm now ready up and thing. And she bought. So all the gears in there. Yeah, camera there. Could have the cap just in case. I'm ready for the road. Tie up yourself to stop the sweat. Yourself for dust. Tie up my mouth. I have my special backpack and you know everything. Keep your own water, own juice in it. Keep hydrated. Sleeveless shirt. You know what I mean? Have on me Cetaphil lotion. You know what I mean? Special lotion. Spray up, smell good and fresh. Ready for the road. So right now, about to go down a mass camp. Vlog world to link up with them for secure the pass and everything's with the access, you know what I mean? Hope she did this thing, I try to get her, but I not get her and things, so that me there, I prepare for go down the vlog world, so yeah.
My gun robbing here now.
Ready right now,
yes,
I'm gonna go on journey with your boy, you see it? Madness. Go on vlog world, so right now it is the calm before the storm. We're gonna make a beer nice at the people them head. Ooh! Oh, here's the peeps. They're so cute. Oh, yo, they're ready. I think that them ready. Ready. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, just leaving mass camp. Sort out everything. We are going up to Sovereign. Gonna get my thing and my juice and you know what I mean. Build up some energy from early as them wanna say with their age. Cause you know no other competitor can splash as something they wanna say ranking king, you know. So yeah, where they have vlog world, let's go on journey there boy. Whoop! Vlog world, so we're there upon location right now. See it here. Before the storm. Big up yourself, boss man. Before the storm. See it here. Big up yourself, brother. Yeah man, country style there, so the whole people them there. I'm not chatting, you see. Before the storm, that crazy music I play vlog world. So behind the scenes, before the storm. Ready to take on the road? Alright. Ready to take on the road? Ready to take on the road? Alright. Team Bacchanal, I want to sponsor me. Ready to take on the road? Ready. Ready to take on the road, my brother? No sun can't stop it. Let's go. The vlog world right now behind the scenes. Y'all seen everything. Two up in that building. Yeah man, ready?
Yeah,
road? Alright, no sun can't stop you. We've taken on the road? Yes man. We've taken on the road? Ah, big up yourself. The whole squad there. Morning. So why should I hide vlog world? Why should I hide? We've taken on the road. Work hard, protect me. Arrest me, miss. Arrest me, please. Come here. Alright. But anyway, vlog where we're there. We're ready to take on the road. Whole squad there. Bacchanal truck and Smirnoff. We're take on the road, brother. We're take on the road, mommy. There's some juice, man. Can't be. Skinny. Anyway, vlog where we're there. I take on the road now. So. We've taken on the road, mommy. Yeah. See, look, nice. We've taken on the road.
Yeah.
All right. We've taken on the road. Yeah, man, we're there. Same the team there. Are you ready to take on the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
All about bacchanal.
Alright. Hold on, man. What's up, darling? You remember me?
Yes, I remember you.
Let's go, Vlog World. Woo! Say, yeah, man, Vlog World, we're there. Crazy vibes. Behind the scenes. Before the storms start. We're there. Watch out across the road. Cars still a drive through. And thing. So we're there. With the man them, Team Zuki. Yeah man, we ready to take on the road? Yeah man, the man them ready. So it's a before the storm Vlog World. Out there. Watch your back, brother. Yeah. Alright. So the whole team here come down now. The whole team. Yeah. So before the storm. Yeah. So Vlog World. I eat this and we're there. You see it? So just go on journey with your boy. I'm ready. One not ready, but hold on, more people there. So we're going to yell up the whole team. We got team bacchanal up in the place.
Yeah.
Let's take on the road.
Yeah, ready.
There's a team bacchanal. They are behind the scenes. Team bacchanal. Let's take on the road. Let's take on the road. Some of the squad. Yeah, I mean, because the squad is big. Yeah. And right now, before I close it up, we have two beautiful ladies. Hi, good morning.
Hi.
If you don't look good one more time, we'll jump under that truck. Jesus, you guys ready? Yes. She look like she wake up after 3. And then I am ready for my makeup. I'm ready to put on my makeup. I'm ready, I can't sleep. That's, really?
Yeah, because makeup artists had to do
A lot of stuff, yeah.
So we had to get that too.
Be careful, you look good. I go come look on the 4 o'clock. I be a things Vlog World. I be a things we can't go out. Anyway, Vlog World, we're there. Let's go on journey there, boy. Sign us out. Whoop. Good morning, friends and friends. Good morning. Oh, yeah, man, you do. Yeah. Guys ready?
Ready.
Remember, keep hydrated. Sunblock is definitely good. Yeah. We'll take on the road. Back on up. Yeah, let's go. Hey.
Nice.
We'll take on the road.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Ready
Jesus.
and waiting.
Keep looking at tell, what's your thing? Wow. All right.
Ready.
She ready. You ready? She ready. Yeah, we all ready. Let's go. Vlog World. Behind the scenes. The calm before the storm. Let's go. Let's go chat to some other people. Yeah man, so the dance them up in the building. I see the brother them. You ready? You good?
Ready.
Yeah, man, ready.
Ready.
You hear that? You think of chatting? When you think of chatting, Vlog World. Look on these beauty. They're so beautiful, aren't they? The whole massive. You are ready for Carnival. Let's go. Yes, it is.
The Savannah Grass.
Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, you beautiful and wonderful people. Once again, the wings are out, ready to take off. Woo! You guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go! So Vlog World, the sun is out. It's very hot. The sun not normal. The man himself there.
Let's up
yourself. Straight bacchanal. She's getting ready. I'm gonna give her some time, put on her nice heels. If them look one more time, I jump in the ocean with a boat cup.
Big up. Hey, wait.
So for them sexy. It's not normal. All of that. What up, brother?
Easily, man, I beat them easily.